Hello, my name is Emily Hall, and my plan for a future career is to hopefully be a child life specialist. They are responsible for providing direct care and education to infants, children, youth, and parents in a healthcare institution. They are also responsible for helping families understand procedures, medical care, and especially jargon for the children because it might be confusing, and recovery of the patient. They help ease the anxiety of the patients by providing positive age-appropriate activities such as art, music, exercise, and crafts. These activities help the children express themselves and give them some comfort. They are responsible for putting together recovery programs for families after traumatic events that may happen. And they can also put together celebrations to help patients have a less stressful hospital experience, and it helps bring the family together. The required education to be a child life specialist is first get a bachelor's degree in either psychology, sociology, or child development. And you have to complete at least 10 courses in a child life subject, with one of them taught by a child life specialist. And the last one is to complete an internship of at least 480 hours. In relation to my 4-year plan that I created, there are a lot of similarities, and first it's important that I take classes specific to my desired career, so I think it's good that I chose to take the cognitive, behavioral health, and emotional psychology courses. And then I also chose to have the internship in the fall 2024, and I think it might even be a good idea to take it sooner so I can get all 480 hours and even more experience. I am majoring in psychology because I've always been curious about understanding human behavior and mental processes, and in order to become a child life specialist, I needed to study one of those fields listed. And all of my career ideas have something to do with psychology and therapy, so even if I didn't end up being a child life specialist, other ideas that I have, such as recreational therapy, for example, would still be under the major of psychology. The reasons I'm majoring in psychology, compared to Chapter 13, there are some similarities and some differences. Starting with the differences, I don't want to be a professional psychologist, so that didn't really apply. And I'm not planning on going to graduate school. That might change, but right now I'm planning on just getting a bachelor's degree. And I did not want to take psychology because I thought it was going to be an easy major. The similarities are my strong interest in the subject matter of psychology, getting a bachelor's degree for my career, and the last one, prepare me for teaching and prepare me for a social worker career.